Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S20 Ultra. These cases are from Ringke, it's their Fusion X, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, I'm back with another video today. I have more cases for your Galaxy S20 Ultra. I keep on saying Plus, but it's the Ultra. I need to shout out Ringke for actually sending these cases to me for a review. Stay tuned to the channel because I do have more cases from Ringke to review. The cases I'm going to review today are their Fusion X cases. I really love these cases from Ringke. These are probably my favorite, that they actually make. And one of my top cases that I will get for any phone that I ever buy. They sent me one in, if my focus here, they sent it in black. They sent it in space blue. And then camo, which is probably my favorite one. So in this video, I'm going to test out the fit, make sure everything looks good, make sure everything fits well, and then also see if you can wireless charge or not with the case on, which I don't think you will have a problem. You can pick up these cases from Amazon. Bam, there it is. The black one is actually the cheapest, it's $7.99. The blue and the camo black is $12.99. They're all in stock, so if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. I will have the links in the description. Bam. But yeah, not bad, especially for $7.99 for these cases here. That's actually a good price. But let's get into it. I'm going to check the fit on one of them, and then I will just see how they look on the other ones. But nice little packaging from Ringke. Again, if you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. Follow them on their social media websites. I love the packaging. It's kind of easy to get into, or really easy. Put that on the side. You get some books, 20% off. Then it also tells you how to remove the film, which I'm going to go ahead and do off camera because, yeah, they always get me with the film. All right, so I got the film off, but here's the case. I'm going to move these two out the way. Bam. You have some Ringke branding down here. If my camera will focus, on the left-hand side, nothing. The cutouts look great. Then you have this ridge power button, which is great too. Some branding there, Fusion X. Man, what y'all think? I like this case. But let's see how it fits. Which again, I don't think we will have a problem. Fits nice and snug. Camera action or lip action. Yes, you do have some lip action. Check out that. It's really flat to the screen too. Does it protect the camera? Yes, it does. Bam. All right, so let's make sure everything fits well. Everything lines up at the bottom. I'm pressing all kind of buttons. Everything lines up at the top. I like how you can find the power button. It's easy to find. The Vine rockers feel really easy to press too. Man, this is a nice case. Let's see how it fits. Nice and snug. And then on the sides, nice and snug too. Can you wireless charge? I don't think we will have a problem, but let's find out. Alright, so you can wireless charge too, which is great. The next thing I want to test out with the case, can you power share or power charge, whatever you want to call it? I know a lot of people have that question. Let me see, I slide this down. I have to turn it on. It says that it's ready. All right, let's see. I have my Google Pixel. As you can tell, yes, you can power share your charge with the case on there. That's actually great looking. So yeah, you don't have to worry about taking the case off at all, which is a great feature. I didn't think we will have a problem. So this is the camo. Let me go ahead and get the other ones ready so we can see how they look in the phone. All right, so I'm gonna test out the blue one next. I just want to see how it fits. How does it look on the black model in case you get the Cosmo Black. And it shows off the beauty of your phone too. And I like how the black and blue looks. What y'all think about that one? Now I'm gonna try the black one. So we have the camo, we have the deep blue and the camo. Vice versa. They all fit the same too, but bam. Look at that. That one shows off the beauty a little bit more too. But if you want to pick up these cases, like I said, I will have the link in the description. That way you can pick up either one of these cases. Shop on Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.